Welcome back to another video. I apologise if I'm a bit short during this video, but I have just edited it, done the voiceover, everything, uploaded it and then deleted it. So, again, I've got some Modelones gel polishes and look what came in the box, guys. These are so cool. Look at these. Destiny is not a matter of chance, it's a choice. Love these. She's someone's sister, mother, daughter, wife. They've crossed it out so it just says she's someone. Love it. You define the standards of beauty. Yes, Modelones. A woman with power does not have to look like a man. So true. Gender is not borderline. Prejudiced is. Not sure about that one, but you know, we're all entitled to our own opinion. And sport is also a woman's game. How cool are they? So, these are the bottles, 7ml glass bottles. I love the little window on the front. I love that. Ingredients on the back, numbers and colours on the top. So, I'm just going to give these a quick swatch cut because I want to do a design with them. I love Modelones gel polishes. I always have. They're always really good quality. They're always really opaque. Brilliant gel polishes. I have got a 10% discount code for Modelones, Aggie10. Links and everything will all be in my description box. So I will let you watch these for a minute and then I will be back. These are beautiful colours. So that is them all swatched, guys. Really nice collection of 8, isn't it? Really bright, bold, summery colours. I love that yellow. It's like a peachy orange, isn't it? Bright green. Gorgeous. So they have all had a top coat of that. That is Modelones glossy top coat. Again, it's a really good top coat. I've always liked it. So I've picked out these 3 colours. My 3 favourite colours, pink, purple and blue. And we're going to use them. For my base colour, I'm going to use this. This is 0507 out of their... They do a set of 6 and it's called the brown set, I think it's called. It is my favourite nude. I love it. So I'm going to give my tips a quick base coat, cure that for 30 seconds. And then we'll start with this design. So I've put a little blob of each of the colours that I'm going to use on my palette. And what I'm doing on this first nail is I'm using the nude and I'm just doing a nail bed. So I'm just using a little skinny brush and I'm just doing a thin outline. Get my nail bed exactly where I want it and then I am going to colour it in. So I'm just going to colour in that line, make it a little bit thicker so that I can use the brush out the bottle then and fill it in. And that's going to get a 30-second cure. I love this nude colour. It's really, really nice. So on this nail, I'm going to do a tie-dye. So I'm going to do quite a thick stripe of the pink and then the purple and then the blue. I'm not curing these colours, I'm keeping them wet So try not to touch the colours together too much. They can touch, but try not to swipe your brush through where they do touch. You don't want to, you want to keep them as neat as possible. Yeah, and I'm going to carry that on down the whole nail. You can do these stripes at a diagonal, you can do them in a circle. I just wanted them completely straight across the nail. So I'm going to carry that on down the whole nail. And then we're going to do a tie-dye. I love this tie-dye effect. So I'm using a really long liner brush and I'm just going to swipe right down it. Wipe my brush off in between each swipe. Swipe down it again. Make sure you do wipe your brush off between each swipe. And it just keeps it clean and crisp and stops the colours kind of mixing where you don't want them to mix. And now I'm going to swipe again, but I'm going to go up the nail in between those stripes that I've just done going down the nail. Again, I'm wiping off in between each swipe, but I'm not showing you that. How quick, and it's not quick, it's quite time consuming, but it's really easy and really effective. And quickly, I'm going to do the same on the bottom of this French tip design. Yeah, it's really easy, but it is quite piddly and time consuming. So they're going to get a quick 30-second cure as well. So this is where we're at. So these last two nails are going to be the same. I'm just going to show you doing one. So I'm going to paint the, I'd say 2/3 of the nail, 3/4 in this nude. And again, I'm not curing this nude. And I'm just going to put a little blob of each colour on the tip, starting with the blue, then the purple, then the pink. And I'm just going to use a detailer brush and just do a couple of swipes. I didn't want to mix them or anything too much. I wanted you to see these swipes. Literally just a couple of swipes. And then I'm going to kind of blend that pink into the nude, just ever so slightly. And I'm going to give that a 60-second cure just because I've put it on a bit thick. I want to make sure it cures all the way through. So yeah, I'm just going to blend that pink in with the nude ever so slightly. And I'll do the same on the other nail off camera. So what I'm going to do now, I'm using Modelones Wooden Top White. It's called, is it Edelweiss? I don't bloody know how to say it. And I'm just doing a little, what do you call it? Little frame, little line around the nail bed just to define it because I didn't think you could see it very well. And I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm using a base coat now, and again I'm not curing the base coat. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of glitter into these two nails now. This one, I'm going to do a little bit of a glitter swoosh. I don't know where I got this glitter from, guys. I couldn't tell you. It's just a little small mix of iridescent transparent. Yeah, I'm doing a little swoosh up that, and I'm going to stick 2 butterflies. These butterflies were off AliExpress, and that's going to get cured. And the other nail is just had a little sprinkle of glitter, same as this. So I'm top coating that so I can give it a buff, get it nice and smooth. So we're going to get these top coated, finished, and stick some bling on. There we go, guys. How cute are they? I absolutely love those colours together. They're so pretty, aren't they? So yeah, guys, don't forget you can get 10% off using my code Aggie10. That works on the website. Lots available on Amazon as well from Modelones. I will leave links in my description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.